shoot through the fish tank, so you can get the grinding sparks hitting the tank, so it looks as if it's coming back towards the camera. We need to use a shutter speed that's reasonably long, so we're probably talking about anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 of a second. So that's the priority to get the long sparks. With the flash, it's going to give us the sharp image of Corey. So we've just got to balance that with our aperture. Okay. That looks pretty good. We've got some smoke coming up there, and you guys want to come and have a look? It's not bad for first up.
Oh, yeah, I like how the cellophane over the back flashes.
Yeah.
Made it look like a real burning smoke.
Yeah, yeah.
With the fumes coming up.
That looks good. Okay, Corey, that's good. When you're ready? Ready? Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay. All right, when you're ready. Okay. They're on full power. Okay, when you're ready, yep. Look away, guys. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks better because we can see your face a bit more. Yeah. I like the little bit of smoke that's there. I don't want too much smoke. I think that looks pretty cool. I like the backlight. Okay, ready? Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I might extend the shutter speed to get more of the sparks down, I think. Okay, so just do the same thing. So we'll go to 1 second, see how that goes. Yep. Okay. All right, that's good. I think that's all we need for the welder. Actually, can we do a shot of you standing there? That looks really cool. Maybe with your welding rod, with your welding nozzle, and your hat. You need the hat, yeah. Okay. Yep. All right. So I'm going to change the shutter speed into a second. Won't be long. Okay, we'll just try that. Yep, that's cool. Can we take the blue in behind him, please? Just tilt it downwards. Down a bit lower, Lachlan, and a bit further back. Yep, that's it. That's good. Okay, here we go. All right. Cool. Just turn to look over towards that light for me, Corey. Yep. Whoops, one more. Okay, it's your new profile pic. We should have the Mini in the background. I'm wondering, I don't know if I can, if you can hold the nozzle up to your hand, as if you're welding your hand, and I'll put some sparks in there later. But it's not going to Not going to work because we need that flash of light back on your face.
I can make that happen.
Yeah, can you earth a little bit of metal and hold it in your hand? All right, you tell me when to go, Corey.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Well, it looks pretty good, but I can see a bit too much smoke, and it obscures your hand a little bit.
Don't smoke. Bad for you.
That's it, yeah. Yep. Good. Yep, that looks good. Right. Look at that. Mate, I can start selling these on eBay. I'm giving away all my secrets here, Rob. Okay, so is everybody okay? Okay. All right. So we're pretty sparked out. We've got too many sparks.
I can lighten that up.
Yeah, so I just haven't got you. You're not visible in the frame.
Alright, I can reduce the spark off.
Maybe aim them down a bit more so they can hit the tripod here.
Yep.
And we just get the occasional one hits off the top. That's better when it's lower. That's better when it's just a little bit. Yep. Okay. All right. I think they look pretty good.